Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a chess.com account. To sign up for the chess.com account on your mobile device, first of all, download and install the Chess app on your iOS or Android and then launch it open. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the home page of Chess. Tap the sign up button at the top right corner and when you see the Create Your Chess.com account page, you can choose one of the options displayed on the screen. You can sign up using email address, Google account, Facebook account, or Apple ID for iPhone users. Choose one of the sign up method. I'm gonna choose sign up with email. On the next page, type down your email address that you'd like to create your account with. After typing it down, click on Continue. Now, create a password for your account. Make sure to create a strong password for your security and type it down in the text box. After you are done creating a password, tap on Continue. Now on the next page, choose a username for your friends and other players to see when you play the game. After typing down a username, you can also go ahead and upload a profile picture for yourself by tapping the little plus camera icon right in front of the username box. After you are done filling in your details and adding a profile picture, tap on Create Account. Once you are done, on the next page, select what is your chess level skill. You can choose between beginner, intermediate, advanced, or new to chess and tap Continue. Now, choose your chessboard theme on the next page and tap on Continue again. Now you can connect with your friends who play chess already. You can search for them using the search contact option, and those players who already play chess from your contact list will be displayed. You can then choose the contact you want to add from your contact list. If you want to add your friends from Facebook, you can tap on Facebook Friends option and follow through the prompts. You will need to sign in with your Facebook account credential as well to sync in with your Facebook contact. If you want to send the app invite to someone new so that they can join in and you can both start playing, you can tap on Send Invite button, choose a contact you'd like to invite to chess.com, and then after adding your friends, you can then continue playing. Explore the app features like online matches, AI opponents, puzzles, and lessons. Adjust your settings for notification and game preferences. And that is how you can easily sign up or create a new account on chess.com. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.